So if it's finding, then what sources will you be using the finding source? So if it's LinkedIn, if it's Google Maps scraper, if it's, I mean, it can be any sources that will send the lead to this part. Now the second part will be like finding out, I mean, it will get a lot of data. Now first step, it's not included in your process, but I think it should be there, because after getting a lot of information from, I mean, literally, as you mentioned, there is a lot of fake people who organized their LinkedIn profile as an expert, but if you talk to them, they're not expert, they don't know anything. So that's the waste of time. Now if you do meeting with them, if you spend 10 minutes with them, that 10 minutes is the waste of time. Now the first step should be getting the lead from different sources. Then agent will analyze it according to their all of the details, like including their website scraping, how much the website is aging, how much their details is saying, is it matching with all the data, if they have a CB, and if the CB they have, then what the CB is saying, is it matching with all the details they have. If they have YouTube, then how much content they have. Now after analyzing everything, it will define like, yeah, if this criteria matches, then pass it to the next step, otherwise filter it out, right? The next step will be connecting to them. Now it will be automatic. You will send them email, you will send them social media notification, you will send them message, every way possible you will try to reach out to them. Now if they respond to any of the sources, right, then your agent will notify you, hey, we got someone who is interested. Now agent will tell them, okay, great, you are interested and we are doing something, we are connecting you to the employers. Now can you please send me your CV, or I have already all of the details, but okay, can you please send this exact information, or you can send a form where they can submit the form with all of the details. Now after checking everything, here will be the human involved. You will check it, okay, this guy is good enough, I can spend 20 minutes for him, and then you will confirm it, okay, let's book a meeting. Now agent will send another booking invitation, and or your calendar, he will book it, and or you will book his calendar, then you will talk with him. Now when it's talking, you will automatically, your agent will record all of the transcription, all of the conversation that you are having. Now the conversation will be sent to the next agent who will, I mean, I'm just adding some things that can be maybe benefited for you. So transcription, and whenever you are talking, you are human, you know if it's worth or not. If it worth, then you will send it to the next step. Now after that step, he has a good score, he is like up to 80, and he has all the you have all the details that you need to connect him with a company. Now if it doesn't matter what sector he is giving, you are just combining everyone. Now if he is a expert in NI10, now you can reach out or get the company details who need NI10 expert. I don't know if I'm going to the right direction or not, but again, now you know what he can do, you know he is expert, and you know his category, how he can serve, and you also have the company information. Now agent will match, okay, this guy is an NI10 expert and this company is looking for an NI10 expert. Now everything, the process between this thing, every company should go through this. They will have a lot of fake people interviewing. Now you can save times by doing this process and then combining them. Okay, good, this is the guy. I don't know if I'm going to the right direction or not. And my question to you right now is, you showed me a dashboard. Now the dashboard data, is it a demo data? I mean, you used Horizon, I mean it's from Hostinger AI, Hostinger Horizon AI, and you used it to build the dashboard. Is it the demo data, or is it a real data that is getting from your NI10 workflows? And the second question is, I think it's the same question, that is your dashboard connected to your workflow? Hey Marcelo, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Great. So, Jagdeep, thank you so much for your time. I just saw your some automation uh, built it for you, and congratulations. Okay, for
Did you did
your good work.
you watch me on YouTube?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
I saw as well, and watch your videos, and I like, and I have something that I need to share with you about what exactly I'm looking for. Okay, so just introduce myself. My name is Marcelo Nascimento. I'm living in Lisbon, Portugal. Okay, I'm Brazilian. Moved from Brazil to Portugal 4 years ago with my family. Right, I'm 56 years old, and
Well,
yeah, and I salesman. Okay, so I'm working selling products, ideas, projects for not just SMB companies, but to large companies as well. Not just here in Portugal, but for another countries like Brazil, like Spain, and some countries here in Europe. Okay, I'm a cybersecurity specialist. So I have 14 years working with just cybersecurity stuffs. I'm an enthusiast about any automation, especially N8N, N8N, and Make.
yeah,
Uh, Actually, I had some experience before with Integromatic before Make, and I'm completely and strong believe strongly that this is our new way to
yeah.
work. Okay, so I don't have any question about this. Uh, I'm creating here in Europe a new company. Okay, and I'm focusing on AI solution as you
Yeah.
are doing at this moment. I saw your page, your landing page, and you have exactly what I need to partnering and create some projects. Okay, and just have some experiments and introduce to my customers, and I'm constantly creating new opportunities here. Okay, and first of all, I'm very interested in the recruitment process, and I have an idea, a concept, and I want to show you exactly what I'm thinking about. Okay, here I have access to so many companies, not just in Portugal, as I said, but in Europe, and uh, I know that we have so many layers between one company and one employee. You know, so we are talking about some process like outsourcing, where I'm hiring someone to provide and use his expertise to use on my customer. But we have probably one or two layers between these two guys, this company and this guy. You know, so uh, I'm wasting so many money on this process. My goal here is to create something that I can connect this guy to this opportunity directly, right? For this reason, I've created, let me show you, it's just a concept. Um, Let me see here.
Can you please share your screen? I did not see it.
Yes, yes, yes. Right now. Are you seeing?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. It's just my first concept where I believe that I have four stage and I want to connect to one people, one person or more or hundreds persons where I can not just hunt because you have one automation where you are focusing on CEOs, right?
Yeah.
So think about that. I have two targets. One side, I have yes, I'm focusing on CEOs because I will provide to them my people. Okay, so I could use just one process and choose, okay, I'm looking for CEO or I'm looking for a developer guy, okay, or a cybersecurity guy.
Yeah. So
So I,
if you allow me a few moments, then I
yeah,
can explain what I understood till now.
okay, okay,
Yes. So
let's do. Okay, go
um,
ahead.
what I think is you are looking for a system that will be helping the CEOs or business owners who need employees. I mean, you are the middleman. Recruitment
Mm-hmm.
agency will be the middleman, but everything will be automated. You will find the freelancers or the employee, and you will find the employer that you will connect them. Right? Is that correct?
Yeah, yeah, but that's at final. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, at final, that's it. But we have so many steps
Yeah.
between these two moments because, as you can see, for example, we need to just found this guy, not just CEO or human resource guy, but the tech guy, the developer, the cybersecurity specialist, or whatever. Okay, I need to connect with them. Connect, it's something like you build it on the recruitment where I could send some message and by LinkedIn, okay, and I could just collect some information, okay, from this guy, this tech guy, for example. And I have another step where I'm colored as research because let's suppose that I'm hunting and found Jahid. So I've connected with you by LinkedIn. Okay, okay, we are connected right now. And that's the moment where I need to discover more about you. I need to see your CV and scrap and collect some information and give to you some score. And if and we can I can send you interview by, for example, WhatsApp. So I have one automation, Jahid, that it's called, I can show you, it's called something like a infinite interview. It's something like, okay, what exactly you are looking for to talk with someone. For example, I'm a IT recruiter, but I don't know everything, nothing about one subject like cybersecurity or Java development. So as a IT recruitment, I need some support. So the AI will do this task. So for example, my automation, it's give something like, okay, okay, Jahid, let's talk about automation. And can I ask you something? Okay, 2 or 3 questions, and you will provide some information, and AI can qualify you and give to you some score based on your answers. Okay, I call this step as research. So I've not just connected with you because you have the knowledge that I'm looking for, but you are a specialist or not, and I will improve your score or not. So if I connected with you because you are attending my searching, okay, my yes, you I can give to you something like, okay, this guy have, for example, 50 50% of um, that's okay with I'm looking for. But after send to you the infinity interview or uh, make a deep dive with you in research step, I can just improve your score. For example, like something like a 80%. 80%. So that's very, very special. At this moment, I want to talk with you. But just at this moment, I will waste my time to talk with a candidate. Because, for example, I'm recruiting people here in my actual job. I'm a manager. I have almost 15 interviews just to cybersecurity. And I talk with so many people, and almost of them don't don't know anything about cybersecurity. You know, they just have on the LinkedIn something very probably created by AI, a good script, sounds good, but when I will talk with this guy, that's nothing. So, and the 40th step is the engage, because like a fruit, this product, it's very we have problem because if you are available today, probably will not tomorrow or next week or next month. So for this reason, I need to engage with you. Hey Jahid, it's me again. Are you available? Can I continue to looking for some opportunity for you? I'm doing this everything manually, okay? Every day. And I'm very tired with this manual process. So I'm very interested to automate everything. Okay,
Yeah.
for this reason, and I based on this graph, I will show you another thing. I've just created a screen. Let me show you here, probably. Okay, but
I have a lot of question regarding this automation. I mean this process.
oh,
So I'll go through it, but
great,
let me see.
great. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Uh, which one? The
I'm seeing a
which
dashboard.
one?
It says
A dashboard? A dashboard?
yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Remember, I have a hunt.
Yeah.
I just created this using the
For Stinger AI.
horizon on the
For Stinger
horizon
AI.
or lovable or something like that. Okay,
Yeah.
so don't that's not exactly very special, but it's just to give to you an idea what exactly I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Okay, so based on the 4 steps, we have hunt. So think about your automation. We have some campaign where I'm will looking for someone like a CEO or a tech guy, or I don't know, dev guy or cybersecurity guy. So
Yeah.
this is the hand. So I will create this campaign, okay, and uh, click on the button just to start one automation. Okay, that's it. The second step is, okay, I found 100 guys, 100 people that match exactly what I'm looking for. So, João, for example, he is a CTO working on tech core, the email, his email and cell phone, LinkedIn, and okay, I have today, Jahid, one platform that I've built, one platform where that I'm prepared to talk by WhatsApp or Instagram or Telegram. So I have this platform not just to talk on the using LinkedIn. So I need I need to connect or found someone and bring this guy to my platform to talk with him using WhatsApp, using my WhatsApp channel. I can show you my platform, okay? So my first challenge here is how to talk with this guy not using LinkedIn Messenger. How how can I prospect this guy and he has this match with my campaign and bring to my platform? This is my first challenge here. Okay, but that let's go ahead. Okay, I have this woman, Maria. Let me just here, and we have Pedro. So João answered me my contact. Maria, I just sent to Maria, but I don't have until now any answer. And Pedro, it's pending. Okay, so let's go to another step. We have I'm connected with them, so I need to, and that's very, very important. I've connected with them and I know that they attend my request. So my job description said, okay, I'm looking for someone living in Portugal, for example, that need to know about, I don't know, business intelligence or Java development, okay, stack. So, okay, I discovered João, but I need to know more about João. So this is the third one step, the research, okay? Research, let me just a sec. I'm sorry, but I don't have in English, okay? But you could understand here. Okay, so João, I'm not just have the tag. I can create tag on the system, but you can see that I just give to João one score. So you can see here I have this score. Okay, because when I've started my process, okay, I can show you my automation, very, very simple, that could provide some interview. João answered with a good question, good answers. So AI understood that João has this, he's a qualified, okay, and does make sense to talk with João. Okay, and the last one is okay. Now I need to create and engage with João. I need to talk with him. I need to follow up with João, just to have João with me. Okay, because when I have, I will looking for some opportunity for this guy, and at this moment, I know that he is available. So I'm just texting to João and said, okay, I found someone for you. Okay, that's it. That is just an idea that what exactly I'm looking to develop to the future. But now I need the to create the background. Background I can create using an ATM, and I show you what exactly I have. For example, I have some process, okay, here, and let me just show you screen. Okay. Wow. Okay. I don't know what's exactly. Okay. My N8N here. I have some process, and I have, for example, this infinite interview. So I have the setup. I can just provide the subject, okay, and I will create this interview until I'm satisfied with the answer. So I can create and give something like a score to this guy. So with this, I can improve my process or your process to not just found, but create the match and improve our information and give to this guy the score. I will just talk with someone, for example, that have 80 0% of match, because I read the CV, AI do that, and I give to this guy the interview, and all answers sounds good. So at this moment, when I see, okay, 5%, for example, that's a great guy. He has a great match with my position, so I will talk with him. Okay, so I it's just sharing with you my what exactly I'm thinking and looking for. And when I saw your automation, I think okay, Dahid can help me. Maybe I will talk with him, expose my ideas. Here, Shahid, I'm creating, as I said, a new company. I think that I have great opportunities here because we have connections with some big companies here that could hire my company to provide these guys. So if you are interested to partnering with me, we can create something to provide. But I will pay you until now, until then, just to create this. I just need to to see if I could uh, uh, include this cost in my little budget because I'm startup man as you, but I believe that, for example, I'm working with a large industry here in Europe of real estate. I'm completely inside this industry and tourism as well. Okay, so today I'm just working with this two industry, real estate and tourism. Okay, but I'm looking forward to work with another industry that is the consultants that they are companies that they are hiring someone to one company. But as I said, we have so many layers between this guy and this company. So I'm here just to creating something new based on automations. And I count with you, and I'm very excited to hear from you how we can work together using your expertise about automation. I saw that you are working with Make as well. I prefer N8N. I have the environment created here, and that's
Yeah.
it. So I will stop my sharing here. I hope that I could give to you some idea. Sorry for my English. I'm so sorry, but I'm trying to talk in English with you, and that's it.
Okay, so let me introduce myself. So, as like you, I am trying to build a product that is voice agent chatbot. So let me share this to you so that you have a better idea. Our both of us, we are having the same goal. We are having the same vision, but the niche in the different. We are in the different niches. So right now, the product I'm building is this is a dashboard. It's a simple chat AI. Basically, this AI will do. It will do inbound. It will do outbound. It will do conversation. So conversational AI is integrated inside the website. Now, when someone chat with it, then it will grab the information and send the data to the dashboard. This is the user, I mean the admin dashboard, where they can see how many calls it has generated today, how many calls it received today, and how many conversation it got from the website. Now some websites have a chatbot. Now if the chatbot just basically doing this like frequently asked question answering. Now if the chatbot is an autonomous agent, it can do many things. It can do like or take order, confirm order, send information to the user, send information to the backend admins. If anything happens, then it can notify the user. Now that's autonomous and it's intelligent AI. So that is what I'm building, and I think the dashboard you're looking for something like that. If I click view, then every details will be here. Call summary. This is for call summary. If I go to inbound, this is also inbound call. This is for outbound. This is for conversational AI. Now I can see every data here. So that is what I'm building, and I think this system will be the same system that you are looking for. Your process will be like 4 steps. First of all, you are connecting, then you are no, you're hunting first, then you are connecting, then you are researching, and if it matches to your criteria, then you are collaborating without spending or wasting your time, right? So let me draw a little bit. I have a few questions regarding this requirement that you are looking for. So let's say this is the first step, right? This is the first step that is for developers. I mean, not developers. That is for to connect. No, it's not connect. It's for finding. Now, let me rewind it. So if it's finding, then what sources will you be using the finding source. So if it's LinkedIn, if it's Google Maps scraper, if it's, I mean, it can be any sources that will send the lead to this part. Now the second part will be like finding out, I mean, it will get a lot of data. Now first step, it's not included in your process, but I think it should be there, because after getting a lot of information from, I mean, literally, as you mentioned, there is a lot of fake people who organized their LinkedIn profile as an expert, but if you talk to them, they're not expert, they don't know anything. So that's the waste of time. Now if you do meeting with them, if you spend 10 minutes with them, that 10 minutes is the waste of time. Now the first step should be getting the lead from different sources, then agent will analyze it according to their all of the details, like including their website scraping, how much the website is aging, how much their details is saying, is it matching with all the data, if they have a CB, and if the CB they have, then what the CB is saying, is it matching with all the details they have. If they have YouTube, then how much content they have. Now after analyzing everything, it will define like, yeah, if this criteria matches, then pass it to the next step, otherwise filter it out, right? The next step will be connecting to them. Now it will be automatic. You will send them email, you will send them social media notification, you will send them message, every way possible you will try to reach out to them. Now if they respond to any of the sources, right, then your agent will notify you, hey, we got someone who is interested. Now agent will tell them, okay, great, you are interested and we are doing something, we are connecting you to the employers. Now can you please send me your CV, or I have already all of the details, but okay, can you please send this exact information, or you can send a form where they can submit the form with all of the details. Now after checking everything, here will be the human involved. You will check it, okay, this guy is good enough, I can spend 20 minutes for him, and then you will confirm it, okay, let's book a meeting. Now agent will send another booking invitation, and or your calendar, he will book it, and or you will book his calendar, then you will talk with him. Now when it's talking, you will automatically, your agent will record all of the transcription, all of the conversation that you are having. Now the conversation will be sent to the next agent who will, I mean, I'm just adding some things that can be maybe benefited for you. So transcription, and whenever you are talking, you are human, you know if it's worth or not. If it's worth, then you will send it to the next step. Now after that step, he has a good score. He is like up to 80, and he has all the you have all the details that you need to connect him with a company. Now if it doesn't matter what sector he is giving, you are just combining everyone. Now if he is a expert in NI10, now you can reach out or get the company details who need NI10 expert. I don't know if I'm going to the right direction or not, but again, now you know what he can do, you know he is expert, and you know his category, how he can serve, and you also have the company information. Now agent will match, okay, this guy is an NI10 expert and this company is looking for an NI10 expert. Now everything, the process between this thing, every company should go through this. They will have a lot of fake people interviewing. Now you can save times by doing this process and then combining them. Okay, good, this is the guy. I don't know if I'm going to the right direction or not. And my question to you right now is, you showed me a dashboard. Now the dashboard data, is it a demo data? I mean, you used Horizon, I mean it's from Hostinger AI, Hostinger Horizon AI, and you used it to build the dashboard. Is it the demo data, or is it a real data that is getting from your NI10 workflows? And the second question is, I think it's the same question, that is your dashboard connected to your workflow? Your mic got muted. Yeah.
I'm sorry. So just answering your questions. No, it's not exactly a live data. Okay, it's just a fake. It's just a mock-up
Yeah.
information. And yes, was built using Horizon in hosting. Yeah, that is my host. Actually, the second one is no, it's not connected with any automation or any workflow. And actually, I don't need everything working with my dashboard, my application. I need firstly to create the background happening. Even I just entering manually the job description or the profile that I'm looking for. Okay, for example, can you open your own workflow where you are outreaching on LinkedIn? Can you show your? I will because this is the first step. This is the first step because if you are here focusing on CEO, I just can use another profile like a cybersecurity guy, for example. Okay, so it's just a change from CEO to another position. So this is the first step. I'm seeing this as, for example, my hand campaign. Okay, because when I can use this process to looking for people using the LinkedIn information, that is exactly what I'm thinking about Hunt. So that's the first step. Uh, so if your workflow using your workflow, we can connect with these people by LinkedIn directly. That's it.
No, I mean, sending LinkedIn DMs directly is not safe. We need to use
Okay.
a spare account or extra account that may get banned. So I don't
Oh,
suggest using
okay. Okay.
automation directly sending DMs
Okay.
to LinkedIn.
Okay. Using LinkedIn. Okay. Okay. And okay. Uh, on the past, I've used one size software as a service product called very nice to do that called Wallax. I'm just creating their one campaign and they are using LinkedIn to connect and you can talk from there. But that's okay. I know that it's very complicated to use a LinkedIn connection or messaging because they are very sensible about this kind of connections. But the second step is okay. Can you help me with some workflow where I can once found someone give to him to he or she uh, all steps to read their resume or CV and create this score or something like that. Can do you have something about this?
No, I mean, this is really custom solution, so I don't have this one,
Yes.
but I can definitely build one. But
Okay.
and also, if you allow me to show you, then I have a community in my country where we already
Mm-hmm.
have 177 people that is
Mm-hmm.
learning automation. I mean, desperately. So in
Mm-hmm.
this community, we have 5 or 6 people who is really good at automation, building automation. They knows logic, and I can get help from them. But before that, we need to figure out what we are bringing on the table. Both of them, it should be benefited. I mean, it should benefit both of us, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And what about your? I saw that you have so many workflows on your NHN. So that's a great. That's great.
I have many workflows. So
Yeah.
this is one account, and automationlearners.com.
Oh
This
yeah.
is another account. This is business accelerator. Right? This is my business
Okay.
automations, and
Great.
I have my business automation. So if I search here, then this is for
Okay.
my personal business. So I have many
Okay.
accounts with different
Okay.
automations.
Okay. Okay. Sounds great. Okay. Uh, for example, this LinkedIn DM and reach out using API client.
Yeah,
So here you are looking for someone in LinkedIn, scraping all information. That's it.
yeah.
And probably,
No,
yeah.
it's not just scraping the data. It's just scraping LinkedIn profile, then validating
Mhm.
it, then scraping their emails. When we use Apify to scrape LinkedIn profile, it sends some email address, but that's just predicted email. That's not actual email. Now we have to find the
Mhm.
actual email using premium services like Animal Finder, Hunter, something like that. Then
Mhm.
we are getting email. We are getting now, if we send a company LinkedIn profile, now we need the CEO details, right? Company does not have CEO details inside the company LinkedIn page. Now using LinkedIn company details, we have to find the CEO. Then after getting the CEO detail, we have to find the CEO's email. Now after getting CEO
Mhm.
detail, CEO email, then we have to escape both of the profiles like LinkedIn profile, company profile, and personal profile. Now
Mhm.
combining everything, we will have enough knowledge to write a direct message, personal message for company profile, for CEO, right? Then it will do
Okay.
everything and store the DM for both of the parties.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I will think about how to and how can I know about your your project, your price. You are providing service uh, per hour, or you are creating one price for a project. How can you uh, how how you are you pricing for this project?
For custom solutions, I would like to go with the flexible pricing. I don't have any
Hmm.
fixed pricing because it's not possible. Every client
Yes.
has their own requirement, own objectives, own
Yeah.
problems. Now we have to fix it. So for
Yeah.
automation, I think it's not really possible to pricing the project before
Okay.
learning about the project. So um, that's it. That's all you need. Like whatever we have discussed a little earlier, that's all you need.
Okay. Uh, I will create Jahid some document with for example my what exactly I'm looking for
Yeah,
with my specification. I will. I know that we have so many ways to follow, and we need to be very, very specific. So I will create one document with my requirements,
yeah,
and I will provide to you, and over that you will give me your price, okay,
yep,
for this first project or first step, right?
yeah.
So because to me it's very, very important to accelerate my uh, recruitment process here. So based on this, I will um, I will think how to do that. Okay, and I will give to you all requirements, and that's it. You can give me a code. Okay.
Yes, sounds good. And also, please mention what tools you're using right now to do those part. I mean, some tools gives access using API.
I
Some
know.
tools
I know.
don't. Yeah. So it's better to
Yeah,
mention that.
AP5 or AP5, for example. Okay, and you have extra charge to pay there.
Yeah.
And for exactly about the AP5, I saw that you have the free account, and the first one is 39. And I saw in your post that you consume one credit for, I don't know, one people that you are outreaching. That's following this way that Apify it's working by credits, and how many credits I have if I contract Edify uh, for example 39 a month. How many credits I have there? Just to know, because I couldn't see in anywhere.
Amplify mainly charges for their platform, that is $39 per month. But the actor,
Okay.
that charge is different. Like some Amplify actor charges you monthly. Now it will be like $29 per month. Now 39 plus 29 for a month. Now if some actors gives you access to uses, like if you use 1000 credits, like if you scrape 1000 leads, then you have to pay $3. Now it will be 39 plus 3, right? But Apify also gives $5 of free credit that we can use. But if you go for the production, that $5 just goes away in a moment. So Apify basically charges like that, and once you grow up, once you scale, then you can go the higher tier. And they're mainly they charge for their systems, their infrastructure, right? Their RAM, CPU, etc.
Okay. So when you are mentioning a premium platform, yeah, and low price platform, the premium is 85. That's it.
There is a lot of platforms. Or to be honest, there is many companies reached out to me. They are competing with Apify, but it's still Apify is the
Okay.
top tier one, and many company has the same functionality, but sometimes they hallucinate, sometimes they don't give the expected result. So that's a problem. So I think Apify is still a good platform. Is still they don't have the same level of competitor. Phantom Buster is a good platform giving the same opportunities, but they are more pricey. But also
Okay.
there is some advantages using Phantom Buster, because Phantom Buster don't charge according to the actor uses. It charges one time for their platform fee, and it will gives you the hours. I mean, if you go for their $69 of plan, then you will get 20 hours of execution time. That's a lot
Mm,
of execution time. But Apify charges you differently. But still, Apify
okay.
has more actor, more power, and more stability.
Okay. Okay. So it's a really premium platform.
Yeah, it's
Edify.
premium. But the
Okay. Okay.
the closest competitor is a Phantom Buster, and there are a lot of platforms, but they're not even close.
Okay. 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 But Phantom Buster, it's the better close from 85.
Yeah.
Okay. And you, which one do you recommend to use for this kind of work that I'm saying for you to you?
Um, I think, I mean, you can go with Apify, you can go with Phantom Buster, but Phantom Buster has a separate option that that called LinkedIn reach out, LinkedIn DMing. So Phantom Buster has that options. You have to just connect your account. Then Phantom Buster will
Okay.
automatically send messages, DMs, and send connection request.
Okay.
So it
Oh
has more
yeah.
advantages than Epify. Epify is best for escaping and doing other stuff, but
Okay.
Phantom Buster is more stable, giving more opportunity.
Okay. Okay. I understood. Okay. So that's it. Let's do it. I will create this requirement document for you for again for our first step, okay, first project, and let's see. Okay, the most important was to connect with you, and again, congratulations for your work. I appreciate very uh, that your time. Okay, so let's continue to talk, and perhaps we could work together here, for example, in my customers, in my projects, and that's just a time question here, okay?
Yeah,
Just to
one other thing
create,
I want to mention is you mentioned 53, right? So
yeah,
and you're still
56
56.
actually.
I just really got amazed that you are at this age and you're still learning things, learning platforms like N8 and trying to find out and trying to collaborate. I just got amazed. In my community,
Yeah.
there is a person who is 61 and he's also
Okay.
learning it. So it's amazing to see.
Yeah. But I need to confess, I'm not a tech guy as you. Okay, my best my best knowledge or profile is to as a salesman. So here, for example, in Portugal, I'm talking with so many companies about business just using AI. As I said to you, I've created a platform, of course, hiding because on the past, just so you know, on the past, I was um a delivery manager, okay, for a long time, working with some software house, okay, with so many guys under my command, like developers, architects, project manager. So I have this skill to manage some project, technology project, development project. So I've hired people in Brazil, Morocco, perhaps Budapest, and I'm working together with all everyone to create something to my opportunities here. So I've created this platform where I'm providing, for example, I can show you some someday when where we are creating CRN based on uh, artificial intelligence. So I have a connection. I receive some contact from WhatsApp channel, for example. Let's suppose you are using WhatsApp and you saw my campaign and you just click it and entering on my funnel, and I have this platform, and I can just follow your attendance with my human uh, agents. Okay, so I can combine AI and human agents just to provide to you this very attendance. So and after that, I can uh, have a conversation with you using AI, and I can qualify you. And after that, I can tag you this contact and move this guy to another lane in my CRM. Okay, and one day I can create a campaign and uh, create this campaign uh, to send mass messages, okay, to all everyone, okay. So this is my platform. In the future, I thinking to create the connection and use N8N behind my platform, improving my service. So I can create in my platform. I can create chatbots, including using AI. But if I have another workflows running on the N8N, will be great because I can improve more my agents, AI agents. That's it. For this reason, I'm more focusing on the back office because the front end I have using my platform, and I can show you someday. Okay, as soon as possible, of course. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. Zahid, once again, thank you so much for your time, especially because I just scheduled today for today. So thank you for your quick response. And I will send you by email, I will send you the my requirements, right?
Yes, sir. That would be great.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Yeah, you're welcome and appreciate it.
Okay, be good. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
bye bye.